The hottest place in the world. The hottest place in the world is called the Lut Desert, and it is in Iran. This desert has recorded some of the highest temperatures ever measured on Earth. In the summer, the ground can become so hot that it can burn your feet if you walk without shoes. The air is also very dry, so it is difficult for plants and animals to survive there. There is almost no rain in the Lut Desert during the whole year. The land is full of rocks, sand, and salt, making it look very empty. People do not live there because it is too hot and has no water. The heat in the Lut Desert comes from the strong sun and the lack of shade. During the day, the sunlight shines directly on the ground for many hours. Without trees or clouds, the heat stays on the surface and makes the land extremely hot. Scientists have measured ground temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than boiling water. The nights are cooler, but they are still very warm compared to other deserts. This extreme heat makes the Lut Desert one of the most dangerous places for humans. People must bring water and protective clothing if they visit. There are some parts of the Lut Desert that look like another planet. Large rock formations have been shaped by the wind over thousands of years. The sand dunes are very high, and they can change shape every day because of the wind. In some areas, the ground is covered with black lava from ancient volcanoes. The heat is so strong that scientists believe it kills most small animals and insects. Only a few tough plants and animals can survive here, such as special desert beetles. This makes the Lut Desert an interesting place to study. Even though it is very hot and dry, the Lut Desert is still beautiful in its own way. The colors of the sand change when the sun moves across the sky. In the morning, it can look golden, and in the evening, it can turn red or orange. Photographers and adventurers travel there to see its unique landscapes. Scientists visit to learn about extreme temperatures and how life can survive in harsh conditions. The Lut Desert teaches us about the power of nature and the limits of life on Earth. It is truly the hottest place in the world and a reminder of how diverse our planet is. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.